Yo, it's Kyle Easter with Jump15.com back this week with a new skill tutorial just for you. This week we're taking it up a few notches, coming at you with a higher level skill, and that is the triple under. The triple under, if you don't know, is when you jump once and rotate the rope around you 3 times. In order to successfully complete a triple under, you need 2 things, and that is high rope speed and great tempo control. I'm going to show you the drills and skills that I used to help develop this and leading to your first triple under attempts. And if you don't even know how to do a double under very well, or your double unders are struggling, don't go anywhere because these drills can also help you. And I also, if you just don't even know how to do double unders, I have my Truth About Double Unders double under tutorial linked right up here. Enough talk. Let's learn how to build some speed and go crush some triple unders. Trying to do triples right away isn't going to work. In fact, most likely you will just create bad habits. Instead, you need to develop the skills that are used in triple unders to make the transition easier. First off, let's note that when doing triples, you should maintain the same form as singles and doubles. If you need a form refresher, check out the link at the top of the screen. Doubles are obviously a big prerequisite for triples, but we want to have max control of our tempo and speed. Here's a great drill to help develop that. Start off with the slowest double under you can. Gradually decrease your jump height and increase your rope speed. This will help you develop great tempo control while easing you into max double under speeds. Next, we need to build our max speed stamina. As we push our limits, form tends to break down, so look for flaws. This may be a wrist stops rotating or gets out of sync with the other side, hand rising or drifting out of position. Shoot for maintaining max speed for 20 to 30 seconds. Here's a fun speed transition drill that I like to use. At max speed, alternate between sprint skill and double unders. This will help you develop the ability to transition skills at a very high speed, which will come in handy when you're going for triples. Ah yes, the secret weapon. Also, using a heavy rope with all drills mentioned is an excellent way to increase your speed, power, and really push your stamina to new levels. You'll feel like a total speed demon when you go back to your light rope. Here I'm using a 1-pound rope. There is a right way and a wrong way to enter into triples. We don't go from single under to triple under attempt. The correct way to enter triples is by starting with single unders, followed by 2 to 3 max speed doubles, and finally exploding into your triple under. This way, you have pretty much achieved the rope speed needed, and you are mostly focused on the timing of the takeoff and jump height. Remember, form should remain consistent. There you have it. The triple under is definitely a more advanced skill, and it's going to take some time to get it down. Learning that tempo, the new tempo of how fast the rope is moving and getting used to that does take time, so don't get frustrated and just quit trying. If you did like this video, I would totally appreciate if you hit that like button so I know to make more videos like this one. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos coming at you right here every week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.